Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify lens correction using Premiere Pro and calibration charts, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Adobe Premiere Pro. Import your footage into a new project. Drag your clip onto the timeline. Next, navigate to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Lens Distortion. Drag the lens distortion effect onto your clip in the timeline. Select the clip to access the Effect Controls panel. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Lens Distortion effect. Adjust the curvature parameter to correct visible distortion. If you have a calibration chart, now is the time to overlay it. Import your calibration chart into the project. Drag the calibration chart onto a video track above your clip. Scale and position the chart to cover the entire frame. Set the calibration chart clip to the mode pen for more precision. Now, adjust the opacity of the chart so you can see through it. Scrub through your footage to check for lens aberrations. Verify straight lines on the chart are represented accurately in your footage. Tweak the curvature and other distortion parameters as needed. If you notice color fringing, use the lens blur effect to soften edges. Adjust the chromatic aberration settings to fine-tune the correction. Zoom in on areas of the chart for a closer examination. If the lines still appear distorted, repeat the adjustment process. Once satisfied, ensure your adjustments are saved. Export your corrected footage. You can now analyze the results effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.